Turtleboy says his motions were granted. Turtleboy and Kearney went on a Twitter blitz leading into the weekend with a number of announcements regarding his ongoing charges of witness intimidation, picketing, and conspiracy. At Thursday's hearing for the charges, Kearney's attorney Tim Bradel demanded phone records from Lindsay Gaetini's phone regarding an incident where Kearney claims Gaetini destroyed evidence of conversations between her, Special Assistant District Attorney for the case Kenneth Mello, and Brian Tully, a Massachusetts state trooper. The incident is alleged to have happened on December 23, 2023. Kearney had come over to Gaetini's house to confront her about her involvement in grand jury hearings about his felony witness intimidation and other charges. During the visit, it is alleged that Gaetini locked herself in her bathroom and called or texted Mello, telling him not to contact her until further notice, as Kearney was attempting to go through her phone. She is also alleged to have a conversation with Tully, who was told the same thing. Gaetini then allegedly deleted text messages and call records from both men, so Kearney could not find them. Kearney alleges that Gaetini had conspired with Tully and Mello to invite him over to her home for Gaetini to then file false charges of assault against him. The false charges would then violate his release conditions from the witness intimidation charges and see his bond revoked. An incident between Gaetini and Kearney did happen that night. Gaetini did press charges against Kearney, and Kearney's bail was revoked. He spent the holidays in jail for violating his bond, and on the day of his release, police declined to prosecute him for the alleged assault of Gaetini. Bradel claimed he needed several months' worth of phone records from Verizon from the time period, as he did not trust the Commonwealth of Massachusetts to provide him with information based on their alleged mishandling of information in the recent Karen Reed murder trial. Both the Commonwealth and Gaetini's lawyer objected to the request due to privacy issues and due to the fear that Kearney would release information from the phone that was not related to the case on his weekly YouTube live streams. The judge in the case ruled that Bradel would be provided records from December 23, 2023 at 12 a.m. Eastern Time to December 24, 2024 at 12 a.m. Eastern Time by Verizon Wireless within 30 days of being subpoenaed by the clerk of the court. Bradel was ordered against copying the records or disclosing or disseminating the contents to anyone else, including Kearney, subject to further order by the court. The judge also ruled that the Commonwealth needed to provide a revised bill of particulars to the defense by Friday, August 1, 2024. This was in response to a defense motion on Thursday that the bill of particulars given to them by Ken Mello insufficiently detailed the nature and character of crimes charged against Kearney. Kearney released the following statement to Twitter in response to the motions and in regard to Mello's replacement, Special Prosecutor Robert Cosgrove. Robert Cosgrove is a 72-year-old retired judge making over $200,000 a year in his pension. He could have just retired to the Cape and lived large, but instead he wanted to suck off the taxpayers some more and declare war on the First Amendment by taking over Ken Mello's sham prosecution of an award-winning journalist.